welcome back to Sunny Live Channel. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. Well, guys, let's talk about the new reality show, Twice as Bold. It's about all the way to end Wami Siko, twin sisters who are so inseparable. They say they share one soul and they want one husband. The Siko twins were married the same man for 9 years, now divorced because of the abuse they were receiving from their ex-husband. The twins are not really getting along with their mother because she left them with their grandmother and she got married and left them behind. Last year, guys, the twins went to Dlozilami, the show Edlala Komoja Love. What they wanted from Sistembi was a clarity about their life, as they are convinced ukuthi bane calling. Sistembi advised them to live their life separately and not marry or date one man, but it seems as if the twins want to repeat the same mistake. They are actually looking for one rich man abazothandana nayo bobabili. So the question from social media is, why did they went to Sistembi from the first place? Was it for clarity or fame? What angered many people is the way twins speaks with their mother, who is not an angel, of course, because she left them behind, but the way they speak to her ikombisa ukuthi they don't have respect. Looking at the previous episodes, it seems as if they will be repeating one and the same thing every week, not getting along with their mother, shouting her like she is nobody, searching for a rich man to date, visiting graveyard and cleansing themselves at the river. We saw 3 episodes so far, but already viewers are not pleased. Guys, if you have watched the show, please leave your comment below and share your opinion.